we are on our way to the river house. And little puppy is somewhere to be found. Puppy! Say hi!
What's up, little bud?
So this is the hamburger pepperoni pizza. Made the prosciutto pizza, Mediterranean.
Barbecue chicken pizza. Barbecue chicken.
So good. Wow. I just got ready. I got these new pants. It's getting cold here in Washington, and so I'm just a little bit in the working remote and, you know, just being inside, so I think it would be good to get out. Currently packing my drone because it's been a while, so I'm just gonna go and explore more of Washington.
Kinda same like we got chemistry, same energy. I can see us make history. Bing bing 돌아가듯이. You a goddess like Venus, I be orbiting. And I promise I ain't tryna play games with ya, girl. Honest, you are not a side character. Every day after day, I tryna go out my way, 'cause I wanna secure you. Oh, I wanna see you every night after night. Can we forget about time? 'Cause I wanna adore you. Oh,
Been a minute and a couple times,
make you
and I got myself some coffee. Yes, vlogging, let's go.
Snap, this is picture perfect.
Okay, so right now I am taking the little pups to go get his shots and stuff because he's only like a couple months old, but he needs to go get his shots. So I'm just running some errands and doing all that fun jazz. Sweetheart. Puppy. So we're at the vet and he's just roaming around. It's like, what is that? You're trying to get out? He's potty trained. Good. And So it is lunchtime. Chicken noodle soup with a side of grilled cheese. Chicken noodle soup with some grilled cheese and sour kiwi for lunch. Yummy, yummy. Cooking some ravioli. So I get this ravioli from Costco and it's honestly one of the best. It's so yummy. And so I'm just boiling that up, and then I'm gonna have some broccoli with it. I just have some frozen broccoli that I'll be making with this, and I got myself a drink. And I'm about to watch season of The Bachelor with my friend Daisy. We made this like a new tradition every Monday, so I'm excited for that. I got my Bachelor on, then I have some broccoli and pasta and some drink. I also have this because I'm gonna be FaceTiming my friend Daisy, and I'm gonna light up the candle. About to decorate this place, so just some fun Christmas things. You know, the holiday is around the corner, and it's never too early to decorate, so I'm excited. I'm gonna make cookies and just have like a really fun chill night. A shopping spree, but this is like what I got, okay? So I got 3 Musketeers. They're huge, but they're so comfy. I got these little like Christmas trees, and so I'm gonna put my cookies on top of it. But this is the, I wish you can smell it, but it smells like Christmas. Look how cute! It's a cute little like, and it has a paw. He's like, where did you go? I am FaceTiming my friend, and we are going to decorate. Excited. It's gonna be so fun. And it's just nice to do it with someone that, you know, also wants to do it. And so if you are feeling lazy putting up your Christmas tree, or if your friend is long distance and you think you can't do it with anyone, FaceTime them. And it won't stop in. That's so cute. Puppy's loving it.